Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. Google, the company with the most widely used search engine, is familiar to all of us whether you like it or not. Google is likely a part of your life, but did you know that there are also so many ways on how to earn money? If you didn't know that, then listen up, as in this video I'm going to show you a new and yet unknown strategy on how to make money with Google sites. Don't worry, this method is 100% free. This means you don't need to invest any of your heart-made money. Also, it doesn't matter which country you're from, as it's available for anyone from anywhere around the globe. You don't need to worry about not having previous experiences or special skills, as you won't be needing them in order to make money with this brand new method. What I love the most about this is that you can do it anywhere you like, at your home, at the beach, on a vacation. It's all up to you. All you need is your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and of course an internet connection, and all you need to do is just click on a few buttons, copy and paste some links, and before you know it, you'll be having money going into account day by day. That's exactly what I said. You can request your payout every day. This is not like with some other sites where you can only receive money once or twice a month, because with this site that I'm gonna show you in a bit, you can receive your payout every day if you'd like. Just make sure to watch the video until the end, as I will be showing you some Google tricks that I haven't shared with anyone else, and it means you're very lucky to be watching this video right now. So stick around and keep on watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Top 4 Earn, where we teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on notification bells. The first step I want you to do is to go to Google, and in here you can type in shrink.io, and you can actually click on the first search result in here. After doing that, you can see the home page of Shrink. Basically, Shrink Me is a tool that you can use to shorten your links, and the best part is that you can also make money with it, as once a person clicks on your shortened link, you will make money of it. You just paste your link in here and click on this button, and it will automatically generate a new shortened link for you. When you click on the payment proof in here, you'll see thousands of users who are making money with this site every day, and here you can see all the different payment methods that they offer, as PayPal, per your web money, Bitcoin, bank transfer, and so many more. And when you scroll down a little bit, you'll see all these proof of payouts that have been sent to these users here. All these shows how transparent, trustworthy, and legit this website really is. You can now click on the payout rates here. Once you have done that, you can see how much you'll actually be able to earn when someone clicks on your link. When you look at the pair trades table here, you'll see that you learn $22 when the person from Greenland clicks on your link, or if the person is from Ireland, you'll earn $16, or if from United States, then you will automatically earn $7. As you can see, it really depends on what country the person is from who clicks on your shortened link. But in order to start making money with this website, you need to create yourself a free account. Also, as you can see here, they will give you $1 for bonus after you're signed up. As I mentioned before, you can receive your money every day. Once you have earned $5 as the minimum on your account, you can immediately request a payout. Now the next step you need to do is to create yourself an account. You can just click on register in here. After doing that, you'll see this page where you have two options to sign up. You can register with your existing Google account, or you can just start filling in your information in here. Create your username, add your email address, create the password, confirm that you're not a robot by clicking here, and make sure to agree to their terms of use and privacy policy, and finally click on register. And now you have successfully created your new account, and you can start shortening your links. But before we continue with this video, comment down below from which country you're from, and that way I will know exactly where I'm from, so in the future I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. The next website you need to go to should be very familiar to you. Just go to youtube.com. I also did some research and found out that the best performing videos are weight loss videos. What's the first thing that people do when they want to know how to lose weight? Yes, that's right, they go to YouTube and start looking for videos on how to lose weight and get in shape. And that's why I now want you to type in and search for weight loss. Here's the time to reveal a trick with you need to click on the filters here, and after that on this week, because we need to find the most viewed and the most commented video. This this week can now pick out the video on here. It's very important that the video is very new and freshly uploaded. This one here is really interesting and it has a lot of views too. Once you have chosen yours, then just click on it, and on the video page here you can go and copy the URL, and then you can go to your Shrinkum account and paste the URL here and click on this button. Then it will automatically generate the new and the shorter link for you that you can just copy. As in a bit I will be showing you where exactly you need to paste it in order to make money. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now you can go back to Google and start searching for a weight loss forum. In order to use your freshly shortened link, you need to be looking for places to share it, and the best place to do that is of course in a forum, as forums are very popular places where people go and discuss the topics that they are very interested in, as about weight loss, on how to lose weight, to get fit, and so on. And in here you can see so many forums where you can share your link with others. You can start clicking on many forums, joining them, and sharing your link. But let me now show you the next Google trick to get more people to click on your link. Let's say from United States, you need to use the next trick that I'm about to show you. I want you to click on the settings button here, then choose all settings. After doing that, you can see all the regions in here. As we talked about earlier, you need to select United States and then just save it. Now you can see all the forums specifically in the United States. Also, you can use the same method with other countries, and you don't need to worry at all, as it's 100% legal. You're simply going to share YouTubers' videos in different forums, and I can assure you they will be very grateful for that, as thanks to you they will be getting a lot more views to their videos. I highly recommend using this Google trick, as due to it you'll get the targeted location you need in order to make money. You can now choose as many forums as you want and start joining them. I just click on one of these. As you can see, here are so many topics and all of them are about weight loss. You can do your own post and share a shortened link, or you can start socializing and share a tip with someone with your link in it. But before you can do that, you need to sign up for a free account. You can do that just by clicking here, and after that you'll see a pop-up where you need to fill in your email address, create the username and the password, and finally click on this blue button here to create your account. Very simple. Once you have created many accounts on several weight loss forums, you can start sharing your shortened link and wait for people to click on it, and then you can see your money coming in day by day. Thank you for watching, and that's it. And if you want to earn even more money, make sure to subscribe to Top 4 channel and click on the notification bell. Also hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.